Hi from Big Water. We have another offering, another listing. This is 1995 Carver Voyager with twin 454 big blocks. Also a flybridge, twin stateroom, dual helm, motor yacht, would you want to say. It's called the Voyager series. It's got a great cockpit for fishing. Or just cruising. Lots of windows, a lot of daylight in. Roomy salon. All this furniture could also be exchanged out because it's not really mounted, you know, so it can be removed. Nice kitchen. Whomever's working there can be part of the party because you're really not separated from the rest of the boat. The dinette doubles as a lower helm. Excellent electronics. Raymarine, good stuff. Master stateroom. Plenty of room. Walk around queen with twin set of lockers for his and hers. Also the second stateroom with a hanging locker also. The head, nice and roomy. Stand-up shower. Also a sit-down shower. Glassed in, air-conditioned bathroom. It's got a nice flow to it. Walk upstairs to the bridge. Plenty roomy. Seating for 7 or 8 up here. Again, nice electronics. Enclosed flybridge. Plenty of room for charts and anything else you'd want up here. Great 360-degree view. If you're interested in this boat, call Big Water at 218-390-4851 or go online at bigwaterboatbroker.com. Thank you.